Wow, I love this part. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Kelvin Emmanuel. So guys, if you're a new subscriber, welcome, and if you're returning subscribers, thank you guys for sticking to my videos. So what we do is react to good music all over the world, different kind of music, be it foreign or tradition, and we get to make videos without interruptions, for you to give the audience a chance without interruptions. So guys, this is the channel you're going to love. So in today's reaction, I'm going to be reacting a Polish music, Bracia. I want to know what love. This is my first time actually reacting to this video, so I literally don't know what this video is all about, but I guess we're about to find out. So stay tuned guys, don't move off. I'll see you guys in a bit. Let's go. I like the intro. It's giving.
Gotta take a little time. Take a time to think things over.
Wow. What am I watching? Damn.
Had to read between the lines. In case I need it when I'm older. Mountain I just climbed, feel like it was upon my shoulders.
Wow, I love the bass vocal.
Under the clouds I see love shine. It's keeping me warm and I got colder. In my life, there's been heartache and pain. I don't know if I can face it again. I can't stop now. I'm traveling so far to change this lonely life. I wanna know what love is. I want you to show me.
Wow, I love this part.
I wanna feel what love is. I know you can show me. I'm gonna take a little time. A little time to look around me. I've got nowhere left to hide. This looks like love should have found me. In my life, there have been heartache and pain. I don't know if I can face it again. Can't stop now. I've traveled so far to change this lonely life. I
podobnego, co za emocje, historyczne wykonanie Krysztof Cugowski i jego synowie, czyli bracia z kapitalnym chórem Sound and Grace. Panie i panowie, ciąg dalszy takich emocji już po przerwie pojawi się m.in. Indila, Ewa Farna, Perfekt. Wręczymy nagrodę dla artysty 25-lecia RMFFM.
I wish I could understand Polish.
Uwaga, nawet 500 000 złotych. Koniecznie zostańcie z nami, tak się dzisiaj bawimy. 25 lat RMFFM.
Wow, bravo, bravo, that was awesome. Alright guys, we've come to the end of the video. That was amazing. That was an extraordinary video. Down to their vocal, the way they sing, you know, on the stage, everything was just so cool. And I actually love his bass, you know, when he started hitting that note, that was giving. And the first singer actually blew my mind. He was amazing, extraordinary. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, kindly leave a positive comment down below in the comment section. Let me know what you enjoyed about this video. I want to know what love is. I actually love this song. I actually have listened to this song, yeah. But this is like a Polish artist, you know, singing a song, which is amazing. Polish is an amazing country. I literally love them. I literally wish I can speak the language, but fortunately, I can't. So guys, if you want to support this channel to the next level, you can actually look down below in the description box. Kindly click the link for RSS perk, join the membership, support the channel, guys. And what I say earlier, we react to good music videos all around the world, foreign or tradition, without interruption, though a little bit of interaction, but we give the audience a chance to listen without, you know, disturbing the video, without like talking about the video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video, which is coming up. Don't move from also, because we're going to be reacting to another Polish amazing artist. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have yourself an amazing, wonderful day. Peace.